everybody, it's Sports Dr. Nancy. I just wanted to invite you to take a tour of my practice, Remedy Sports and Regenerative Medicine. So come take a look. Here is my waiting room, full of color. Here's my office logo and all the areas of our front desk, including the Remedy Gnome. And if you come down the hallway, I have a wall of fame of patients who I've helped, and I have colorful, energetic pictures that reflect movement and exercise, and then life is good sign at the end. Here's my exam room. Patients will sit here, and I have models, images to share about arthritis. I treat a lot of arthritic patients. My foam roller, information about platelets, A2M, and all sorts of show and tell items to help patients get better. A wall of rehab tools, of course an exam table. And then the best is my ultrasound, which shows in here the needle going into my own Achilles right here. So that way I can digitally see exactly where my needle is going. I have a Remedy procedure room. All my regenerative cases take place here with PRP, A2M, stem cell treatments. I use laughing gas through the Pronox system to help make the patients as comfortable as possible. This room is my favorite. It's ocean themed, beach themed. I love all things outdoor activities. I have my body contouring machines, which help people address unwanted fat areas, tighten skin that's loosened in time, as well as tone muscles to help with rehab and other feel good, look good needs. So once you're done here, you head back out. Thanks so much for joining me on my tour. I hope that you will come to visit me if you're having a musculoskeletal problem and you want somebody who's progressive and looks at integrative ways to help you heal.